Hello everyone, this is Corbin Moss and I'll be going over exercise 8 in SAS Viya. So as we can see right here, we use the Titanic data set, and for the decision tree we chose to do the survived response, and for the predictors we chose all the predictors that were available and all the variables that were available. And then going in, we're going to look at the F1 score, and that is going to be 76, so 76% of the data is useful. And then with the confusion matrix, we can see that when predicted perished and it is observed as perished, the percentage of this being correct was 87.25, and was survived and perished was only 12.75, perished survived was 26.15, and survived was 73.85. So that's going to give us the precision of how good the data was when looking. And then looking at the decision tree, we can come in and interact, and with missing, going down, age 14 and up, we can see the number of observations, which was 563, 104, 81. And then moving on to exercise 8.2, we can see that we have created the second data set with the employee attrition data set and with the decision tree being over attrition. With this, looking at the confusion matrix, we can see if it was predicted no to attrition and it was observed as no, the percentage was 97.89%. Yes, no was 2.11, no, yes was 62.03, and the yes was 37.97%. And then going in, we can see the node rules with the node ID, the parent ID, the type, and then the predictive models that it wants us to look at are mostly business travel, department, education field, and gender and job role. Minimizing this, it tells us the variable importance, which the most important, it says, is the monthly income, the overtime, and the job role. Age has some type of relevance, and that's only at 10.2306%. And then as you can see, we have already observed the confusion matrix, and that's going to be the 1207 and the 147. And then looking over at our exercise 7, when looking at the logistic regression, it gives us a similar outlook for the response of attrition and the continuous effects of this. And then opening the confusion matrix, we can see that the percentage was 99.59% for no, observed no and predicted no. And then for observed no and predicted yes, it's only 0.49. And then for observed yes, predicted no, it's 96.2. And for observed yes and predicted yes, we can see it's 3.8. So as we can see, it does a very good job between the decision tree and what we did in exercise 7 with the logistic regression and the response of being attrition. It does a good job of having similar types of predictions and similar valuable and pointing out the valuable information, including the variable importance of the predictors that we have put in. Thank you.